Hello everyone, so welcome back to into my today's video. As you know, this is my second video of today on 8th December 2024. Let's start it without wasting our time. Just imagine this. Imagine a world where cities float above the waves, combining innovation with sustainability. Today we are diving into the incredible journey of Mr. Beast, okay, as he takes on the ultimate engineering challenge, building a floating city. First up, let's talk finance. This project is not just about creativity, it's a multi-million dollar venture. Mr. Beast is leveraging sponsorships and crowdfunding to gather the necessary funds while showcasing how smart investments can lead to groundbreaking developments. It's a masterclass in business strategy. Now, onto the industrial aspect. This floating city will utilize cutting edge materials and technology to withstand harsh marine environments. Think solar panels, wind turbines. And what is wind turbines? Must write in the comments, otherwise I tell you. You can ask any question about my video in the comments, just I will answer you, okay? And water filtration systems that make it self-sustaining. Mr. Beast is not just building a city; he is setting a precedent for future urban development. Health is another crucial element. A floating city means fresh air and access to natural resources, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Imagine a community focused on wellness with the parks and fitness facilities right at your doorstep. Mr. Beast aims to create an environment that encourages physical activity and mental well-being. And let's not forget travel and tourism. A floating city could become the next big destination, attracting adventurers and eco tourists alike with unique experiences like underwater hotels and oceanic activities. This city want not just be a place to live, it's be a hub of exploration. So as Mr. Beast embarks on this monumental adventure, he is not just building a floating city. He is redefining what it means to live sustainability and innovatively in the 21st century. Stay tuned as we follow this journey and witness how one man's vision can inspire change for generations to come. What are your thoughts about my this video? What you learn from this, and what you are thinking right now? Must write in the comments. If you have any question about my today's video, if you want any detail and any meaning, any information about any single word, any single character, must write in the comments, then I will answer you, okay? You can ask any questions on my on another videos, because on some videos maybe by mistaken I turned off my comments. So many ways you can ask from everywhere questions if you have any about, okay? Bye for now, subscribe for more.